Hello there, friends! Now the wedding is just 7 days away. I am super excited and still a bit anxious, but I have my wedding dress. I got it back from David's Bridal and it was just so beautiful and I am so ready. So, yes. But I worked this morning and I'm going out to the antique store to pick up another teacup and little saucer. I'm going to make another one of those little skeleton things. And then I'm going to pick up some stuff to make chili for dinner. One of my coworkers came into work today and said how she made chili. And then we've been having some chilly weather coming in. So I'm like, I got to make chili. And I'm thinking about getting some like garlic bread too. So, sounds delicious. Now I got these neat little bottles. I'm not entirely sure what they were used for, but I thought they were pretty cool, and I'm going to use them for a little project. I'm going to make some magnets out of them, and there was something I saw at the antique store where someone took some cool little items and put them together to make this cool little craft. So I'm going to kind of recreate it with these bottles, and I think I'm going to look up this old Quaker bottle to try to give me an idea of what these might have been. But I asked the lady at the antique store, and she wasn't quite sure as well. So we shall see. And I got another teacup and saucer. Gonna make another one of those little skeleton things. I also got some of these little flocked Christmas ornaments, and I'm gonna make some more of these little shadow boxes that I made. I believe it was last year I made them. Yeah, last year, the year before, but I'm gonna be looking for some more items to make those little shadow box collage sort of things that I made, and here's a picture of two of them from last year. But yeah, I saw these and I was like, oh, I gotta get them. They're a little damaged, but we'll work with it. It's kind of cool still. We can put, other things around or in front of them. Plus, it kind of gives it some history. Just look how jolly he is. And lastly, I got this little Pooh Bear dressed as a honeybee about to trick or treat. And I just thought it was so adorable. It'll make a cute little Halloween decoration for the apartment. So cute. And all of this stuff was from Out of the Cedar Chest. It is one of my favorite antique stores here in town. Really great stuff. But all those ornaments that I found, all those little Christmas ornaments, came from this one booth. And it has all this really cool little stuff in it. Just a really awesome vendor there. So I hope this person brings more. I'm sure me purchasing all of these little ornaments will kind of bring to that person's attention that, oh, if I have some more, I can bring them here, and this crazy lady will come in and buy them. But they were like $2 a piece, and I'm like, that's a steal, because these could be, I feel like, much more than they were. So I love these little things. They're so cute. And now it's chili making time. That's some legitness right there. Some sizzle action going on. So my mom got me this really cool little ground beef separator masher thing. I'm not sure. But this thing actually really works nicely. Even so much better than a spoon or a little spatula. Whatever, whatever. Yeah, this just really works nicely. And what I do is I press it in, turn it, press it in, turn it. And I just keep doing that until it's all kind of cooked. And it just works out really nicely. I made a goofball mistake. So I thought I had chili powder, and I don't. So I gotta go get some chili powder, but also no sour cream. I forgot the sour cream. And now, I did not make a list, and I probably should have. I probably should have checked for chili powder, but I thought I had chili powder. I really did. So I'm gonna go run up to the store real quick, grab those two things, and finish this chili. All right, I got the goods. We're good. What we have here is some ground beef, dark kidney beans, pinto beans, diced tomato, diced onion, minced garlic, some diced jalapenos, some tomato sauce, and then a bunch of seasonings. I got onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, chili powder, salt, and cumin. And I don't think I missed anything. If I did, I don't know what I missed. But I like a nice chunky chili. Chunky chili. Now Timothy got some of this thinly sliced top round steak that we're going to use for some beef jerky to take with us on our honeymoon. And I'm going to sit it in some Dale's marinade with some garlic, and a few days later we shall dehydrate this good stuff. And I did not go light with the garlic. Added some garlic to that Dale's. I'm also going to add some of this seasoning to it as well. I call this one Death by Garlic. Now, I've made beef jerky quite a few times. I just have never used this little complete seasoning, so we shall see how this turns out. I have a feeling it's going to be amazing. Had to make some room in the old fridge. Okay guys, this is my version of what I saw at the antique store, and I made them into little magnets. I just used these beads that I had in my collection of beads. They're like this so they can dry. The little magnets on the back, I have them on there with some Gorilla Glue. But I used some of this crafting wire, these beads for the eyes. This stuff I got from Dollar Tree as filling, and then I also had some craft moss for this one. But yeah, so that's what I wanted to make. And ooh, I never took pictures of the one at the antique store, but the one at the antique store had some like sort of vintage buttons for the eyes, and the middles looked more like pupils. But I really like these. They're really, really cool. And tonight's entertainment. Almost done with the chiller. And I have some stuffed mushrooms here, a little bit of cream cheese, a little bit of bacon. All right, I'm gonna have some more chili, have some stuffed mushrooms, watch some more Paging Mr. Morrow, and enjoy the rest of my night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you come back for more. Bye.